So what do you do when you have a 4x4 corner post that is rotten at the bottom? Well, they had cut this post and put on a new piece that rotted out. So I'm probably going to do the same just because I don't have a ton of time, and this is an old country place, so that's fine. But what I am going to do is, instead of cutting a straight line across, I am going to actually do an overlapping notch so that part of the old board hangs down and part of the new board hangs up, and it's going to lip over, and the two are going to kind of handshake one another. That'll make it quite a bit stronger, so stay tuned for that. And as you can see here, got a lot of problems here with the ends of the floorboard breaking off. I could replace the entire floor, but again, I'm going to do a little bit of a trick here. You can see that I put some standard boards underneath and just cut out the rotten parts, and then the which is a pseudo-sill plate. The pseudo-sill plate is sitting right on top. So this is actually just a regular board. This sits on top, and no one will really notice when it's done. And on this side, you can see the floorboards are perfectly fine. I mean, they need to be painted, but they're fine. So again, it's a little bit of a shortcut, and you can see how I'm doing it here. I'm putting some support underneath. This is not termite damage, it's just water damage. So I'm going to put these pieces in, just like those. And what we're going to do is put another 2x4 over top of it to have the sill plate. It will trick your eye, it will look fine. And once it is painted well and watertight and potentially sealed with some caulking, it will be fine. So again, bit of a half measure here, but this is an old country place and we need to get it up and running. If we try and do everything just right, it's going to take forever. So again, this is one of those economic decisions where you have to do kind of a cost-benefit analysis.